Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by selecting the right live bait for the fish you want. Pick maggots for small panfish, worms for general use, shrimp for saltwater species. Next, rig efficiently. Use a single hook sized to the bait and a light leader so presentation looks natural. Thread the hook through the tail or back to preserve movement. Do not gut the bait. Once done, check hook point exposure and not strength, because landing strikes depends on a convincing, lively presentation. You now focus on where and how to present the bait. Cast toward edges, drop-offs, or structure where fish ambush. Accuracy beats distance. Choose float presentation to suspend bait at a depth or weight to keep it bouncing near bottom. Both imitate real prey differently. Once bait lands, vary action. Give a gentle twitch, let it drift with current, or slowly retrieve to trigger strikes. Make sure to observe line tension and bobber movement, because subtle takes require a quick reaction. You finish the sequence by converting bites into fish. When the line tightens or the float sinks, set the hook with a quick, confident sweep so the hook penetrates without tearing bait off. During the fight, adjust drag to avoid breaks and use rod angles to tire the fish. Bring it in steadily. If strikes are soft or misses increase, replace sluggish bait immediately, check leader knots and hook sharpness, and slightly alter presentation. Those small fixes often restore consistency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.